Your digital assets are live, your legal shields are armed, and international payments are hitting your cloud accounts. But the traditional banking matrix has a final bottleneck designed to slow down your velocity: manual capital routing. Traditional business owners waste hours tracking international wire transfers, converting currencies through expensive spot rates, and logging manually into different banking interfaces just to distribute liquidity. The modern system architect does not open banking apps to make payments or move cash. They build an automated banking ledger. They connect multi-jurisdictional financial endpoints directly to their data pipelines, creating a continuous, self-correcting river of capital that converts currencies and funds investment accounts instantly based on strict code parameters. In this new chapter of our system autonomy matrix, I am going to expose the exact software infrastructure to build your own autonomous cross-border financial engine. A framework designed to catch global revenue, optimize conversion spreads, and execute international wire transfers automatically for less than $1 in infrastructure costs. Subscribe, lock your terminal, and let's program the money. Every time you manually convert your software revenue between different international accounts, traditional financial institutions extract up to 3% in hidden markup fees and administrative delays. They count on your lack of automation to shave off your profit margins. To achieve absolute scale velocity, you must bypass the manual broker layer entirely. Our automated financial engine starts right at the processing layer. The moment your non-resident cloud corporation accumulates a specific capital threshold inside Stripe, a custom webhook automatically triggers Node 1 inside our backend infrastructure. The system executes an instantaneous payout request, bypassing standard 7-day holding windows. We do not let the bank decide the conversion rate. We route the data payload directly through multi-currency banking APIs like Wise or Mercury developer APIs. Node 2 tracks the real-time interbank mid-market exchange rate and locks the conversion script the precise millisecond the spread drops below 0.2%, securing your international purchasing power. Look at the execution flow on your screen right now. The moment the currency conversion is finalized in the cloud, Node 3 automatically structures a SEPA or Fedwire payment request payload. The API signs the digital certificate and pushes the capital directly across borders into your physical asset jurisdiction within 3.6 seconds, without a single human interaction. Moving money across borders is useless if it sits stagnant in a checking account. The backend automation script immediately parses the incoming transfer and splits the capital according to your exact 3-bucket framework rules. 60% is automatically routed to your secure global brokerage API, 30% to your corporate emergency layer, and 10% to your operational server maintenance. Traditional accountants tell you that managing multi-currency treasury allocations requires human oversight and manual ledger tracking. They say this to justify their administrative retainers. Financial routing is pure mathematics. A code script doesn't forget to execute an index fund allocation, doesn't make typos in bank account numbers, and runs permanently every single day. By establishing this autonomous ledger, your staffless enterprise achieves financial fluid velocity. Your code generates the revenue, defends against legal friction, and automatically allocates the profit into your long-term wealth assets. The system is fully cyclical, but to ensure this automated flow remains completely bulletproof against bank account freezes, you must arm the final systemic override. Connecting your business workflows directly to capital endpoints requires absolute infrastructure isolation. You do not store your banking API keys or OAuth tokens inside basic code scripts or open visual boards. You deploy them inside hardened environment variables or secure vault servers like AWS Secrets Manager, ensuring your financial routing core remains completely invisible to the outside network. Moving capital through APIs means your business produces an immense volume of real-time transactional logs. Instead of hiring an external administrative team to sort through these entries at the end of the month, Node 4 captures the bank webhooks instantly, standardizes the metadata, and populates your internal bookkeeping ledger or connects directly to automated tax software APIs. Traditional wire transfers are prone to time zone delays and institutional lags. The autonomous ledger handles this by operating on a strict asynchronous pipeline. If an international payment gateway experiences an unexpected server drop or regulatory audit, the code script automatically buffers the capital payload, pauses execution, and retries the transfer the exact millisecond the endpoint is restored. The greatest threat to a solo digital enterprise is a single point of failure in your banking network. If a fintech platform freezes your corporate account due to an automated compliance flag, your cash flow is paralyzed. The autonomous ledger eliminates this vulnerability by employing dual routing architectures. If Bank Alpha delays a transaction, the script automatically reroutes your upcoming payouts through Bank Beta in real time. Once your capital settles into your primary brokerage account via the automated wire pipeline, it does not sit idle waiting for you to analyze market charts. Your back-end system hooks directly into automated investment APIs or high-yield custody accounts. The cash is immediately put to work, converting raw business profit into passive index equity within minutes of landing. Traditional managers waste valuable biological energy traveling to physical banking institutions, signing physical paperwork, and discussing loan terms with account managers. This is an obsolete operational theater designed to maintain institutional control. The sovereign individual understands that in the modern era, a bank is simply a collection of digital endpoints waiting to be queried. To maintain an unassailable financial record, every single automated wire transfer triggers the instantaneous creation of a balancing internal invoice. The system generates a clean digital document justifying the cross-border corporate transfer, matches it with your non-resident corporate guidelines, and stores it in your secure vault. Your compliance defense updates itself dynamically. When your business achieves total financial fluid velocity, your operational focus shifts entirely. You stop chasing individual payment confirmations and start analyzing system architecture. You realize that long-term wealth accumulation is not a byproduct of manual hard work. It is the mathematical result of building hyper-efficient, self-correcting automation loops. Your global digital machine is now complete. Your code captures market needs, generates recurring B2B capital, defends against legal friction, protects itself across optimal tax jurisdictions, and routes its own profits into long-term wealth nodes. The matrix has been fully decentralized under your unassailable control. In the final block of this transitional ledger challenge, I will hand you the exact API configurations to connect Mercury and Wise developer cores, reveal the long-term mathematical stability of an automated treasury, and drop the ultimate retention loop. To configure this automated treasury node, you must program an explicit JSON payload to your banking endpoint. The script must define the routing parameters down to the cent, source_account, USD_LLC, target_account, global_equity, currency_conversion, mid_market, auto_retry, true. This command layout eliminates bank clerk errors from your economic life. Let us look at the compounding mathematics of an automated ledger over a 5-year horizon. Traditional companies lose precious percentage points to delayed transfers, manual currency pricing errors, and sluggish investment execution windows. Your automated engine captures market yield instantly, accelerating your compound interest speed by an order of magnitude. The traditional corporate matrix is built on the obsolete idea that a business requires physical bookkeepers, manual check signers, and expensive finance directors sitting in physical meeting rooms. They want to create administrative drag to slow down your sovereign evolution. The system architect replaces the entire floor with an automated script. Rethink the way you view capital routing. Automated transacting is not about vanity or showing off fast screen metrics. It is about maximizing your spatial liquidity. When your business automatically drops its net profit into unshakable international stock indices and secure cash buckets every single day, you are building an invincible castle that no local economic shock can breach. While traditional business owners are stuck navigating complex phone systems with local bank managers and justifying their daily commercial activities to local branches, you are operating at cloud velocity. Your staffless engine moves money silently across continents, utilizing encrypted endpoints that run smoothly 24 hours a day. The full blueprint has been completely mapped across this technical breakdown series. You possess the documentation to create high-margin B2B assets, shelter them through non-resident U.S. corporations, defend your terms with synthetic legal agents, and route your own capital into wealth automatically. The infrastructure for complete freedom is ready. The old economy thrives because people remain too intimidated to look behind the visual dashboard of their banking apps. Break the cycle of dependence. Subscribe to this channel, activate your notification armor, and write the word ledger in the comments below to lock your profile into our algorithmic tracking system. We have successfully engineered the entire advanced automated company infrastructure. From bypassing fake guru metrics to building production-ready visual code canvases, deploying cross-border tax shelters, and programming autonomous financial routing ledgers. You hold the definitive code for spatial and economic independence. But once your automated financial ledger is running flawlessly in the cloud and your capital distribution loops are fully optimized, you will face the ultimate macroeconomic challenge: how to transition your digital cash flows into real-world autonomous real estate structures using decentralized physical protocols. To fuel this advanced automated banking ledger with the raw recurring cash flow required to maintain absolute momentum, you must first master the original generation engine. Click on the video appearing on your screen right now, where we break down the exact 45-minute live AI development challenge to scale your empire from scratch.